Oh, chat, I'm muted. I'm muted. I can't hear you, Black. I was muted. I was muted. Chat. What's good? Good morning. Good morning. We back. We back. What was I saying? I was saying something about NQ going higher and ES going higher. How are we doing? Hope everyone's having a good day. Good morning. All right, chat. So I had a swing going last night. I'll show you guys this. I had a swing position. It's doing really well. I think I'm gonna hold this for now. Have my stops at break even and see where this goes. I'm in the money. This I think this is like 670 calls that I bought yesterday. So pretty good position. I want to see if we get a possible grind up today. Like I said, I'll move my stops break even just in case, but we're gonna run with this. Probably just tapering today. I really don't want to put any risk on intraday. So we'll see. We'll see where it goes. Okay, I'm using a different quality of my or camera. So I was using the Lumix first, but yesterday we went to Best Buy and picked up a what is it called? Something Mark II. EV10 Mark II, something like that. The Sony one. So this is better quality for video recording. So better quality for reels, better quality for vlogging, things like that. That's the kind of cam we need for ass cam. Okay, buddy. All right. We have lights. We already have lights. They're already delivered, but it's gonna be two big ass lights right here. So I honestly like keeping my stream a little bit darker. I feel like it's good, but the lights are coming in. The lights are definitely coming in. And then we'll have the lights. So you guys can definitely see the quality once the lights come in. Your traders roundup is up on YouTube. I was gonna post it on my own, but if they're gonna post it, then I'll just that's fine. The coded software engineers sit in the dark. Yeah, I mean, I like a darker look. I don't know why. I just always preferred a darker look. But if the trader roundup is on YouTube, I'm gonna ask Kit if I can post my own part of it because I have a clip where it's just mine. Is my phone there? Oh, it is. It is. Are you gonna ever stop streaming on YouTube? No, no, no. Chat. This week we've given out bangers on stream. We're giving out straight bangers. So we had a 100-point trade on NQ on Monday, and then we had a what 30-point trade on um 30-point trade on ES yesterday. So we've been giving out bangers. Today is gonna be risk off day. Let me just get up my TPT accounts so I can go in and out of the trade real quick. I finished those, but I need my fifth day. Let's see. Let me see this. All right, NQ chart wise, look at the 4 hour. Currently got some 4 hour SMT here at these highs from November, mid November. Currently back in the daily gap for ES. So I want to see a possible inversion either today or tomorrow. Like I think if we could continue to grind up, get an inverse gap, that'll be good. Only bearish under this daily gap here if we create one today. That's the only way I'll be bearish under like 6730s. But other than that, I'm gonna look for a continuation higher. All right. What do you think we pull back? When do you think we pull back? Then I don't know if we pull back too much. We'll see. 174 right here. We'll see. ES is ES is holding up nicely compared to NQ. All right, let me go in and out of this on TPT. All right, there you go. So I got my fifth trading day in for TPT. We're above 9K on all these accounts, so we passed them. Um, Chat, I think we're gonna try to run this up as much as we can here on TPT. Make sure to drop a like on the stream. We got some giveaways today. Probably be the last stream of this week, just because we have two or like holidays. Friday's a half day, even though New York Stock Exchange is still open, but it's a half day. What do you prefer, TPT or Apex? Dude, I'm gonna say Apex is a goat firm, dude. Like, I just think the leverage Apex can give you is another. In other words, like the leverage they give compared to everything else is just too much. 20 accounts, even 10 accounts, 15 accounts, you can do a lot of damage with. But trader friendly, I will still say some other firms are better because the rules and stuff on Apex might be a little bit harder for new people. They did not allow to pay us if they break the rules. I was denied as well. Would you trust the 1M without that sweep? I mean, if we get back above like 250s, I think it goes. I'm gonna set the hourly time frame for now. Dude, why am I feeling like it's been ripping every morning? Give me a second, chat. All right. ES way strong. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. Do they say the reason? Yeah, they do. They do. It's usually a 30% unrealized drawdown rule. Actually, let me see. Give me a sec, chat. Still going on ES. ES is way stronger than NQ here. It's a pretty big thing, the difference. Bullish? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I am bullish. Just got paid out on funding today. It's nice, bro. Thoughts on counter rotation versus trading with low capital? I would basically get your payouts, save half of them, and put them in like try to make a live account. I don't know if that answers your question. Kind of confused on what the question is asking. I feel like if this 1 minute goes inversion on NQ, you can try to take a long, or maybe either that or this. One of those two. All right, chat. Give me 1 second. The camera's going to be off for like a second here. Mhm. Which firm do you think has the best Black Friday sale? I feel like they're all kind of okay. I don't know which one really would have had the best, but I think they're all right. Oh my god, we're pumping chat. ES is gone. 1 sec, chat. We're having maintenance right now. What? Yeah. Like here? Okay. All right, go. Ready? That's nice. I like that. That's good. Chat, you guys think this is good? Let me ask chat. Chat, I'm messing with the camera right now. What you guys think? All right, go next. That's good. I think 650 is good. Yeah. Yeah. No, I like the one it's on right now. Whichever one's brighter, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Noise suppression too high. All right, chat. Let's keep pumping this shit. Yeah, I appreciate everyone being in here this morning. Drop a like on it. We'll do some giveaways. We're probably not gonna take any trades today. We caught some banger trades. Uh, I'm pretty much closed out on the month besides my swing trade. Long, I think it's valid. Yeah, I think 311 comes today. 311, and then wherever ES wants to go. I do think we're gonna go higher. I mean, I could tape read this with you guys. Equal lows are smooth, but I think 280s come first up here, and then 311. I really like 311 for buy side today. 309, 310, 311. And then 360 is like extra, but I do think we're gonna get a move higher. I like higher. Come on, what's your most consistent number of call? I didn't see your message, my bad, bro. And it depends which account I'm trading. I gradually size up on Apex and things like that and Top Step. If I'm trading my personal account, I like to do like I think 5 minis is a good size. 5 minutes is solid. I'm not taking any day trades, but I'm in swing alongs from last night. I bought these yesterday. You stream for Asia? No. You bullish all-time highs for SCD? Yeah, I am. I feel like day trading this is kind of difficult. Why are all your wins off stream? Chat, let Brad know that we took 120 points on stream on Monday. We took 28 points on ES yesterday. And we caught so many bangers last week. Okay, Brad, I know you missed the trades yesterday and the day before. It's all right, bro. It's all right. It's all right, bro. You got to wait till Monday for the next one, bro. It's okay. It's okay, bro. Last week you gave out at least 3 200-point trades. Yeah, I did. What broker do you use for personal? I like Robinhood and also like Creative. Yo, chat, I'll tell you this though. How many of you guys would take $1 million payout and still be on live stream? I'm not trying to toot my own horn here, bro, but I'm not gonna go abandon you guys just because I got a big payout. So I was like, fuck it, I'm still gonna show up and try to help you guys as much as I can. I switch up on my day ones. Oh my god. You into a car? Yeah, I like a good looking car. I don't think I'm a splurge though because bro, I got some other things I gotta take care of first. Bora Bora. All right, we tagged 280s. What's good? We got your number here. Flip on my day too. I drive an Acura right now. I drive an Acura right now. What would you do with your payouts if you start over? I mean, I was already kind of had a good idea with it, but I would definitely save 50% for taxes. You're not gonna end up paying 50%, but taxes and then just reinvest it. Reinvesting is the biggest thing. Either you reinvest into a large day trading portfolio or you reinvest it into a long-term share portfolio with just equity and things like that. Leaps, I would do that. You buying anything nice? I want to buy a watch, but a nice little GMT. I gotta sign into this real quick. If 170 is on NQ come, that'd be a good long opportunity. Give me 1 second, chat. I'm retrying a bit. I'm gotta Disney real quick. A fiat 500. And look at fiat. Reinvest into a budget queue and stuff on it. There you go. Yep. All right, coming back down after a high day sweep on NQ. Yeah, by me being out, I'm not gonna take any trades, day trades. I'm gonna go back to my parents' house tomorrow. Try to hold up, bro. Yo, but look at this. Look at this. Let me copy this image and post it. You guys remember all those smart points? And I was telling you guys to save them up and don't use them yet? Well, this is why. Chat. Black Friday sale. Smart's gonna have its sale this weekend. Funding Ticks just had their sale right now. 50% off. This is actually pretty good. Smart points, payout bonus, things like that. We're actually pretty good with the Funding Ticks team. So oh my god, I put the name of the thing wrong. Hold up. I did not mean to put that. But yeah, 50% off is actually pretty good. Okay, let me repost this. All right, next week. All right, confirmation. Next week, after all Black Friday prop sales are over, we're gonna have Black Friday sales on Smart Prop Firm. That's the thing. Brian was like kind of debating if he wants to do it, and I was kind of pushing for it. I think it'll be really good for everyone to use their points. All right, why NQ not sweeping like ES? NQ just kind of we're just chopping around, bro. I mean, it's a day before the holidays. I don't know how much. Yo, my trading view is frozen. Hello. Chat, is it just me? Chat, is my internet ass? But yeah, we're not doing much. It's back and forth between us. Okay, we good. We good. What was I gonna say? All right, let's see if we got a sweep here on NQ, and then possibly move back up. Probably, I think today, if anything, would be like a range type of day. Look at the hourly. We're kind of been chopping all night. SMT at the highs, which is why I'm not like looking too aggressively to look for long. If we do look for long, we'll maybe look at Asia low, or excuse me, London low, and then that 170 low that we just took out right now. So either we buy back up here, or it could possibly come down here, and we'll take a look for a long here. Just a tape read. Yeah, NQ is definitely weaker than ES, even though percent wise, NQ is a little bit higher than NQ or ES, excuse me, but it's definitely a little stronger holding up. All right. Let's see. We have 120, which is, like I said, it's the London low. All right, internal sweep so far. I think this will reject this fair value gap and go lower here. Sorry, guys. I'm getting really busy right now. I'm getting a bunch of DMs that I have to reply to right now. So bear with me. Oh my God. All right. We're back on the YouTube chat screen. Let me go back on chat. Is Project X down? Project X is always down. Yo, chat. I was playing golf yesterday, right? On the sim. I think I sprained deadass both my middle fingers. Is this not London low? Yeah, it is. Bro, I fucking sprained deadass both of my fingers. Top step not working? Bro, top step's a fucking shit show. Dude, top step, bro, they gotta fix it, man. All right, chat, drop a like on the stream. We'll do a giveaway right now. Smart Prop Firm points. Black Friday for Smart Prop Firm goes live next week. We're not gonna do too crazy of a sale, or probably like 15%, which is still really good, considering you can get a lot of evals for pretty cheap. Let's go drop a like on the stream. Let's run up the likes, and then we'll do both middle fingers. I rendered me. Serge just walking around playing people because I'm getting old. Am I? Dude, my fingers actually hurt. Like, they're kind of swollen too, I feel like. Yo, chat, I'm not gonna lie. So I think I'm gonna try factor meal, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. I eat very clean when the meat isn't in the freezer, right? But when I forget to take the meat out the freezer, I always end up door dashing. This is a life thing that's happening right now, right? And we've been forgetting to take out the meat for a while now, so it's been a lot of door dashing. Which I was thinking about it. I'm like, dude, if I just have like a factor meal, I just pop it into microwave and I eat it. Now I know what my mom used to get mad when she used to be like, "Why don't you take the chicken out the freezer?" It's like, God, bro, that shit does not defrost. Shit doesn't defrost. I don't get it. Um, so that's my life. That's what's happening in my life right now. Bro, I started factory meals last week. The best decision I made. Food delicious, saved me so much time. All right, that's the only thing I needed to hear, bro. I heard you actually defrost is faster in cold water than hot water. Air fryer comes today, yes. I think I still want to do the factor because, bro, I do need to lose some weight, bro. I'm getting kind of chunky. I need to get back to like 185. This time last year, I was like 187, 188. Yeah, I'm like fucking 208 right now. Like, if you look at me, like standing up when I have my regular clothes on, like you wouldn't really tell the difference. But like, I feel like I have a little too much of a stomach than I would like. Obviously, feels stronger right now, but always defrost with cool water. Yeah, that's what I do. I'm 6 foot. All right, how do you go about your new PA? I don't have new PAs, bro. I always size down though when I used to have trailing drawdown new accounts. I would always size down. Thoughts on M2? I don't look at M2 at all. I've been losing weight. My strength feels way down. Yeah, dude, that mass moves mass, bro. All right, chat. I think we reject down, go to these lows on NQ. If we're gonna look for a long, I think it would be above 680.10. I honestly don't know where this goes for today. We could just chop here. Top Step Discord in shambles right now, guys. Dude, Top Step needs to fucking fix their shit. Like, it's really bad. It's getting to the point where it's like almost untradeable because it's happening so often. Crazy, dude. Chat, if you guys are new, drop a like. We go live every day at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Obviously, no live tomorrow and Friday because it is the holidays. And Friday's the half day. But make sure to drop a like, sub on the stream. We caught some banger trades on stream yesterday and Monday. So today is more of a chill, just hangout day. Let's go over the giveaway section though, and let's do some giveaways for smart profit and points. Let's see who is rigged for today. So let's go. Let's go create some giveaway. If you guys are giveaway winners and the points haven't got to you, stay patient. The team is pretty backed up, and I will say the giveaway isn't their highest priority first. So just make sure you guys are being patient. All right, 800 smart profit points is good to give you one eval with the 15% off. That'll be next week. So save your points. You guys will get a really good value on these. Also, if you guys are in the Discord and interested in the premium membership, 50% off currently for 3 months using code BF. You guys can go ahead and join. These are all the premium channels here. We go over alerts. We have Brian's too, Lantos, overnight trading, long-term investment channel, things like that. Just to help you guys. Some mentorship recording videos. Quick plug on that. But let's go back to the giveaway section. Let me invite you guys for those who aren't in. All right, internal sweep so far and higher. Dude, Top Step's not working. I know, bro. I don't know what. I'll put a tweet out today. I'm like, yo, Top Step's getting really out of hand or something like that. Just like raise awareness because the Project X has been so shit, and the fact they don't let you trade on Tradeovate is insane. Also, my funny futures. I mean, they're all right. Top Step X dead, bro. Just got me out, dude. I'm telling you, I don't know. I don't know what to do, bro. Top Step X is so cooked. All right, 5M gap here on NQ and ES. We just formed that. Guys, we're just chopping. I mean, this is kind of the price action I expected today, and it's exactly what we're getting because it's day before holiday and things like that. Actually got a pretty good move up overnight. Um, gotta be chilling. All right, 5 seconds for the giveaway. 5 seconds. Let's see who wins. Oh, risky jut one. Okay, okay. That's a general member OG. All right, or not OG, but he's pretty active in general chat. All right, congrats on the win. If you guys have a smart prop firm email, make sure to DM it to me on Discord. If you don't, go make one and then come back to me. But DM me on smart prop firm or on Discord about your smart prop firm email. What do you think of Funded Next? I think Funded Next is solid. What is trailing loss type live? What does that mean? All right, 5M rejecting right now. If we inverse these 1 minute gas, I feel like 118 could come. It's a big spot right here. Very choppy price action, guys. Do not try to put on risk on this. What do you think about that tick trader situation? I don't even know what the situation is, bro. But I heard it was like some miscommunication between Ninja. I don't know the exact details of what happened, but they never paid Tradeovate their fees. Ah, I see. What do you need to do to claim the giveaway? DM me your smart prop from email. Okay, so a lot of people spam me on top of Discord like something to trade. Yeah, but it is annoying though if you are in a trade and it cancels out on you. I think Top Step really needs to like shut down for a couple weeks or something and just fix their fucking things. Or hire some good people who know actually how to um run like a software business. All right, chat. What are you guys' Thanksgiving plans? You guys going back to the family's house? What you guys doing? You guys celebrate Thanksgiving? My personal immediate family, we really don't celebrate Thanksgiving, but my boy Jonathan, his parents usually host. So we usually go there. Since I got the vlogging camera, and if I go golf this weekend, I'm gonna vlog it. Going dirt bike riding, then hanging out with the fam. Gonna blow a bag at Home Depot. I went to Home Depot yesterday, actually. Got the little Christmas lights for the tree. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave tomorrow morning, and then I'm gonna leave early tomorrow because there's so much traffic probably. So I'm gonna try to leave like 8 a.m. tomorrow, and then come back Saturday. I'm in the UK now. Home Depot got some crazy prospects. Not gonna lie. Oh my god. All right, I'm gonna put a tweet out. I'm gonna say another outage on Top Step. I'm gonna say there's gonna be some serious conversation held about the reliability of Project X. All right, let's see. Hopefully this tweet does good so people they can see it. All right. Hopefully it does kind of good. All right, chat. We'll do another giveaway if we get some likes, get some 200 likes on the stream. We'll do another giveaway. Today's just a chill hangout day. No trades for me. I mean, there's not really anything to trade either. Oh, if you guys are new, make sure to drop a like on the stream, drop a sub. We'll be live every day next week as well. Today's the last streaming day of the week. I DM you on Twitter. Okay, give me a second. Uh, can you DM me on Discord, please? I have so many like Twitter DMs from like bots too. I just can't sort through them all. Please, if you can DM me on Discord, that'd be great. Let me see. Yeah, it's DM me on Discord. Chat. We're just chopping barcoding, straight up barcodes. Chat. I'm gonna try to get through all the DMs today. I have like 20 unanswered on Discord right now, and then I have like I don't even know how many conversations going back and forth. So I'm gonna try to get to everyone today or this weekend. I have some downtime. Yeah, just like team must entry up to 5 minute IPG or we take a 1 minute. I take a 1 minute. So usually on New York session, what I do is wait for like a 15 or 5 minute tap of a fair value gap and then like a rejection. Like let's say I'm looking for a bearish, just for the sake of this example, right? Like let's say in this case, we're looking for a rejection to the downside. We have a 5 minute gap rejection after the high day sweep. And then I would look for a 1 minute fair value gap inversion, something like this for lower prices. Obviously, I'm not taking this because the overall bullish is biased, but that's basically the entry model setup. And then you want to use your higher time frame bias to align with your lower time frame entries. I just DM you in Discord. Let me check. I bet I got it. I got it. I'll send you send it to the team after the stream. Thank you. Yes, sir. Of course. And if you want to look at daily bias, I talked about it in my stream yesterday. So I have two streams posted from yesterday because I went live 2 times yesterday. The AM stream towards the end of it, like let's say the last like 50 minutes, if you just go through it real quick and skim through it, I do go over my how I pick my bias. It was like a quick like 5 minute segment on that. I'm gonna start time stamping some of the live streams that I talk about other stuff. Jesse, I started off with my FTT eval with the Carly 700 me targeting 30. So what should you suggest? 50K? I mean, you still, yeah, you really don't have much time. I'll say that you gotta start sizing up on it because like, you want to get rebuild. Unless the rebuild lets you keep, unless it doesn't reset your account and it lets you re-keep your profits, then just keep doing what you're doing. Probably saving people from terrible price action. If you have $100 left on a funded account, we just build it back up or script it. I would send it on like an NFP or a CPI candle and pray. That would be the goal. All right, chat. We're almost at 200 likes. Drop a like on the stream. We'll do another giveaway right now. Brian, this shit is chopped cheese, bro. Just chopped cheese. I want to see higher prices though. Chat. I told Brian to swing long. Bro didn't want to listen to me. That's on a full port long last night. How many micro? I think 5 micros is solid. I'm still holding. I'm still holding. Here, I'll send in the group chat. Oh, look, I mean, that's not a bad time to get a swing going. If we create a daily gap today, I think we'll come retrace to daily gap. All right, chat. We got 220 likes. We'll do one more giveaway. That'll be the third one for today. Let's run it. Let's run it. Save your prop firm points for next week. Like I said, we're gonna do a little Black Friday thing. Post Black Friday. One winner, 800. You guys are in the Discord. I'll send the link over right now. I think it is, honestly, Brian. I think that's gonna be the slow grind through the holidays. We'll check back in on that in a few minutes here. No, I'm banned on Apex now. I'm banned. Thank you, bro. You too. You too, Michael. Why? Because I took a $1 million payout. You basically, so how do you claim your smart points? You on the website itself, it'll have a tutorial on how to link your prop firm email with smart prop firm. It'll take a few days, business days to get it all synced up. But once it gets synced up, anytime you make a purchase using code SMART on one of the firms listed on our website, you will get points automatically funded to you. I mean, I wouldn't say they're scammers. They paid me out $1 million. That's usually what they do. They offer you the full payout or a live account. I could have said I want a live account and I could have kept trading with them, but I didn't want to take the live account. So you can never trade with them again. Not again. It says it's an open-ended question, right? It says, or open-ended statement. It says, if there is future possibility, we would love to have you trading with us again. So if they do like a live program or something like that down the line, maybe like in a couple years or something, I can trade back with them. But it just eval. They're like, there's no reason for you to trade evals. You can't pay to 1 mil scam, no, for real. It's not, bro. Apex Live. Look. No one, and I'm such a fucking dumbass. I didn't ask them what the Apex Live actually includes. My thought process is that Apex Live is probably the best live account in the game, but no one uses it because they rather take like $1 million payout. Like, why would I not take $1 million payout versus $1 million live account? You know. But I'm gonna assume that Apex Live is actually pretty decent. I genuinely think it's just like full control of your money. I wish I asked them what the live account entailed. I mean, I wouldn't have taken it, but I just out of curiosity. Do they regret it? I don't know. I think their margins are still pretty good. Yeah, they probably just give you 1 minute account and do what you want with it. Yeah, I think so. Epic Live issues it. I mean, yeah, I was telling Chad, I was like, I think this is the like out of all the firms that this might be the best sale happening right now is the funding ticks. Every other company was doing sales that they've already done throughout the year, pretty much, but funding ticks is really good. Use code SMART, guys. You have to get a payout bonus too, right? We're offering payout bonuses. Basically get rewarded for trading well with us. And then obviously you get your smart prop firm points, free accounts. Brian, did Lucid drop their flex yet? Their flex thing? Lucid was gonna drop a no consistency rule plan, I believe. One payout bonus per firm per month. Yes, sir. A lucid on Friday. Okay. I know AJ or like the lucid thing was talking about. The profile was talking about the no activation fee. New pills that make dogs live longer set to be released next year. That is honestly the best news I've heard this year. Spartan trades. If you go to the WAP, lifetime's only 700 right now, which is already at 50% off. So like, I didn't even realize I had it going, but someone literally showed it to me. So it's on there if you want to join it. I mean, I don't do. It wasn't for a clout. Like I think $1 million payout is solid. Oh yeah, Brian, are you on for PM today or no? If you are, I can pop in with you. I can pop in with you. We already got some airs. I think it ends at 1 p.m. Eastern on Friday. I'm pretty sure. Let me ask Lanta if he wants to hop on too. Yeah, look at the opening range though. We literally have not moved, chat. It's just been a chop fest. So that's what I'm saying. It's like not much going on. Uh, I wasn't gonna trade anyways, but this is honestly even more relieving that see price action is just doing nothing. Like, or more confirmation me not doing anything. I usually open at the stream start. Oh my god, I can't talk. The stream starts at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, so around New York open time for the stock exchange at least. I usually try to get on by like 9:25, and then normally we try to take a trade at the new hour open, new 4 hour open at 10 a.m. Eastern. Around like 10 a.m. Eastern, we start looking for trades and see if there's any setups for us to take. Yo, what's good, bro? Yeah, even when I'm in the trading mode, like I want to look for trades. Like if the price action is not moving well, there's just no point. Brian, check DM real quick. Chat, I either have a Instagram reel posted today or tomorrow. It just depends on the editor's done with it. It's actually a pretty good video. Um, I think a lot of people will enjoy it. Yeah, Apex does have 2.5K trailing drawdown. I got the accounts up to 66,000, and they basically gave me the full payout before the trading days, the full trading days, because they didn't want me to keep going. Other firms drops Black Friday sales, tops up cucks the trader. Yeah, I know, seriously. All right, ES are kind of grinding back up here. ES has been stronger pretty much all day. Like percentage wise, NQ is up more, but ES has been stronger for New York. All right, let's see what my swing position's at. My swing position's up 60% right now. Up around 16,000 on that. Just chilling. I want to see 311. I want to see these highs get ran on NQ. I just don't know when it's gonna happen. Either happen today or not much volume for the rest of the week. Yeah, tops fucking ES has been much cleaner in these moves. Top step is yeah, top step's been having too many issues. Oh, I didn't even see this. I totally forgot about the other giveaway. Congrats on the win, Rob Trades. All right, so all three of you guys, I know Kyle, you already sent me your or that's not even Kyle, is it Khalil? I don't know. You already sent me your email. Thank you for that. Risky Jot and Rob, make sure you guys send me your prop firm emails. DM me your smart prop firm email and I'll get you guys the points as soon as we can. I'll send it over to the team today after the stream. Fuck it, Toss to save me from training today. I mean, there's some silver lining behind the top step outage. I mean, last time they gave people free exit phase and things like that, which was good, but we'll see what they do this time. Any advice for new traders? Everyone's on their own timeline. That's the mental side of things. Just make sure you're doing everything you can to be 1% better for you. In terms of the technical side of things, forex to futures. If you're trading futures, I would stick to with NQ and ES. I think they're the best things to trade. I would not mess with gold or anything like that. Yeah, I am hooked on futures. I am. Give me the money. All right, all right. Gold will make it crash out. Yeah, let me check DMs real quick. Let me see. Chat is so slow. So slow, so slow. Let me go look at tops of chat and see what they're saying. Bro, I go to fucking Top Strip stream and they got the fucking White House playing, bro. What the fuck is this? What? My boy Jay. Shout out my boy Jay. Oh, the end of their stream, okay. Shout out Coach Jay for real. That was funny though. They shut that shit out. People are roasting them. That's funny. I thought they were live all day usually. I thought that was their thing. I guess not. All right, almost back to high day on ES here. Now it's working on the 34th red. God damn. This is back where they fucking unplugged the system and put it back in. Chat, I'm not gonna lie. We went fucking crazy this week on Robinhood. Keep this. Look at this shit. Bro, we went crazy. Like, I put in a 50K into this one just for fun this week. For SPX. Oh my god. And I had a super bull bias, so every day I would wake up to smack SPX calls, and we've been cooking. I didn't trade any SPX today. It's from the swings today. But yesterday was like 35K. The day before that was like 20K, and then the rest of it's for today. No trades today. No, I mean I wasn't gonna trade this environment anyways. Last day of technically the month, not really the last day, but 2 half days in a row. So that plus we really haven't been doing anything. We've been stuck in this opening range. Like we opened at, I mean, like what 10 points from our open. Like it hasn't been much. I don't know if we move up or not. I'm not gonna lie. So we're just kind of chilling. We'll wrap up here early today too. Why were you bullish this week? So we took out the. Let's look at the higher time frame here. We took out these lows, right? Obviously, a very significant low because they are October lows. And then on the lower time frame, you guys can see we got a huge move up on Friday. And our Sunday, we actually had a new week opening gap that we filled. I don't know where it was exactly. So huge move up on Friday. Sunday kind of had a continuation, and then we kind of came back down to this new week opening gap. As soon as we held this new week opening gap and got this expansion on Monday, right? I was able to catch some of this as well. We got to close above. If I remember correctly, we got new week opening gap fill. We got to close above this previous high here, break a structure to the upside. I was able to catch some longs here. Once we did get here, I wasn't sure where price is going to go because we started kind of consolidating. And all of this was manipulation yesterday, lower. And I broke it down a lower time frame. Nothing on the 1 minute or 15 minute. Let's go back to the 5 minute. So knowing this is a manipulation, we have a 4-hour fair value gap here. This is a trade we took yesterday. We have a 4-hour fair value gap here. I didn't take the entry off the 5 minute. I was just waiting on the 1 minute, and you guys can see. So consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. Basically accumulated, and then we manipulated down. These are all 4-hour gap taps, right? This is all in a 4-hour gap. I didn't want to short until we got a close below that 4-hour gap. We got a nice dive down. We came back up, came right back down here. We held the gaps down here. This gaps to me is not that important. I was just waiting for a reaction to see what happens after this dive down. What I was interested in was this fair value gap right here. This is like the bearish. This is like the strong displacement we had after our retracement up. So either this was make or break for me. Either we're gonna reject this and continue to lower into these lows again, or we hold this area and we move back up. What did I notice? We inverse this gap. I took an entry off the inversion, right? And then we had a bunch of low resistance liquidity built up. And for me, I was like, low resistance liquidity, 4 hour fair value gap, 1 minute inversion. This is a very, very high probability setup. I'm gonna take this for the upside. And we were able to catch this. Pretty simple for the most part. Pretty good trade. So yeah, that's what we were able to do. If you had the 5 minute as well. I don't think the 5 minute had any gaps besides this up one. Yeah. So the 5 minute really didn't have any gaps or proper retracements, but we did have this opening gap. Once we inversed it, you guys can see like even if you weren't in yet, and you were looking for an entry off this 5 minute inversion would be pretty good too because we still had our overnight highs, right? We had these highs up here, so you can still catch a nice scalp move up. I was looking for higher prices into like 90s and things like that, which we obviously ended up getting. And I was able to capitalize on SPX pretty well. If you guys go back to the actual stream, I'll explain it 20 times better because you guys could see me live in the trade while it's happening, right? And it's just easier and better to understand. Also, at the same time that was happening, NQ was actually holding up pretty well. Or NQ was actually diving down even more than ES. So we're having some SMT at some of these lows down here, and kind of the same structure on NQ where the 5 minute inversion happened for the 1 minute gap. NQ also had a 1 minute inversion right here. You guys can see. So similar setups on both of them. It took a while, but we got there. I'm buying contracts that, yeah, usually if I'm buying higher size, I'll buy in the like at the money or in the money. If I'm buying 0 DTEs, I'll look for a contract that's gonna go in the money. Let's say if I was taking SPX calls right now, right? I would not mind taking SPX calls that are $10 out of the money right now because if it hits my TP, I'll be in the money, if that makes sense. Oh, barrier. Does that make sense? That's how I basically trade the SPX contracts. All right, chat. I'm gonna wrap it up early today just because it is the last day of the week on the stream. I think we're just on here to chat. Hope I answered some of you guys' questions that you guys had. If you guys have any other questions, I'll be in the Discord pretty much throughout the day today, so I can definitely answer questions through there. General chat, premium chat, whatever. I got you guys as best as I can. For those who want the giveaways, make sure to DM me your email. I'll get it to the team right after the stream. I appreciate all the love and support, guys, and I appreciate you guys being in here. Make sure to drop a sub. We'll be live every day next week, Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. All right, peace and love, chat. I hope everyone has a fantastic holiday. Stay safe. Don't drink and drive. Have fun and eat a lot of food. I'll catch you guys on Monday for stream.